Alright, good morning everyone. I am here at Kita-Senju Station, which is the 5th busiest train station in Tokyo, to eat a Subway sandwich on a subway without breaking any rules. This train I'm about to ride doesn't run that often on the subway, so there's a good chance that you haven't seen it before. By the end of this video, you'll know what train this is, how to ride it, and some cool facts about this train, because it's actually pretty unique. So the first thing I have to do is to get a Subway sandwich. The subway opens at 10 a.m., but the train comes at 10:30. So I'll have to grab a sandwich real quick and then head down to the subway station. If I miss this train, this video is kind of over, so I have to be careful. So this is the food court area where the subway is at, and I have to wait until 10 a.m. till it opens. So I'll just wait outside. Okay, the food court just opened. Nice people welcoming us. Alright, here we are at Subway. サラダチキンのフットロングでお願いします。ドレッシングはなしで、塩コショウとオイルビネガーお願いします。はい、すみません、ありがとうございます。Alright, I got my Subway sandwich. So I just have to go back to Kita-Senju Station and head over to the subway. The train I'll be taking is on the Tokyo Metro Chiyoda line. Alright, so I'll be taking a train at 10:33 called Metro Hakone and Enoshima 93. So this is the Odakyu line limited express train that runs through the Chiyoda line all the way to Yoyogi Uehara Station, and then from there it'll run through the Odakyu line. And these trains will split into two at a specific station, and one will be heading to Hakone and the other one will be heading to Enoshima. And it is here. It's the GSE 60,000. I got a seat for, so this is my express ticket. I got car number 9, 1D. So it's this. I saw the reservation seat and it said there's only like 5 people on this car, and they're like either in the middle part or the very end, so I think I can talk a bit with no problem.
本日も特急ロマンスカーをご利用くださいましてありがとうございます。メトロ箱根93号箱根湯本行きとメトロ江ノ島93号片瀬江ノ島行きです。
As for the seats, there is this button you can press to recline your seat. Yeah, no one's behind you, but there are no plugs for you to charge your phone or electronics. Also, I checked to see if there's Wi-Fi, and it seems like there's no Wi-Fi here. Kind of unusual for a limited express train. And yeah, most seats don't have like a table in front of you like this. It's only the first row seats. But all the seats have these small food tray. It's pretty small compared to the ones from bullet trains. So yeah, that is your seat tour. So this train is called the Metro Hakone and Metro Enoshima, and it runs only during weekends. This is actually the only limited express train in Japan that goes through subway lines, so that's why I'm counting this as a subway, or more like a part-time subway. You can buy the ticket for this train inside the Tokyo Metro platform, or grab one from any Odakyu machine or counter, or you can even get it online using the Odakyu reservation website. One thing to watch out for is that Odakyu trains are longer than Tokyo Metro platforms, so not all doors will open at some stations. You'll see signs telling you which platform to go for your car. Also, you can't get off at any metro station once you're on. The first place you're allowed to get off is Seijo Gakuen Mae. Another fun fact about this train is that it will skip some subway stations, which is pretty rare. We are passing by a subway station on the other side.
Please do not smoke in this train. Restrooms are in cars too.
Oh, we're passing by a station on this side for the first time. What station is this? I think Chin Soda? Sen Soda? Couldn't really see it. Alright, this is the first station this train stops at, and it's Otemachi, which is right next to Tokyo Station. This train station is known to be one of the more chaotic subway stations in Tokyo. There's like 5 lines stopping here, but it's like a maze. I don't know who needs to hear this, but I finished eating my Subway. Now I'm gonna enjoy the ride until I get off at Sagami-Ono. And this is the station where the Metro Hakone and Metro Enoshima was split. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Welcome aboard the Limited Express
It says the bathroom is in car 8. There's a vending machine over here. Oh wow, it's quite spacious here. Oh, what is this? It's like a souvenir area. Pictures of romance car. So maybe they used to sell these kind of things like food, bento or something. Oh wow, what a spacious bathroom area. Here's the big bathroom right here. Wow, what a very spacious bathroom where you can put your baby. This is the regular toilet, and if something happens to you, you can press this button and there'll be a staff that will be not happy to assist you. Okay, I'm gonna pee now. Bye. There's also another area where you can just wash your hand, and there's the urinals for men, and this is a woman bathroom. Yeah, let's go back. Okay, we are here at Senju Station, and this is the last subway station this express train will stop at. As you may know, this is near the Shibuya area. Alright, so the announcement said that the next train station is going to stop at is Seijo Gakuren-mai. This will be the first station you can actually get off at because you can't get off the stations in the Chiyoda line. We are no longer underground. This train will stop at a specific station, not to let people in, but to do something else. The train just stopped at Yoyogi Uehara Station, but they're not going to let any passengers board from here. The only reason why they're stopping is to switch the train drivers. So from Kita-Senju to Yoyogi Uehara, the Tokyo Metro train staff is the one driving the train. And then from here, the Odakyu train staff will be driving the train. So they're switching places right now. Now we actually finally have a good view. Oh God, so bright. You don't need to see my overexposed face.
We will soon arrive at Seijo Gakuren-mai, OH14. The stop after Seijo Gakuren-mai will be Sagami-Ono.
Alright, we are here at Seijo Gakuren-mai, first station where people can actually get off at. But it seems like no one is getting off from here. Rather, people are getting on. It makes sense. I think most people take this train to go all the way to Hakone or Enoshima.
We will soon arrive at Sagami-Ono, OH28.
Okay. We're gonna be there in about a minute or so. Oh, thankfully there's a trash can over here. So the last thing we're gonna do in this video is to see the Metro Hakone and Metro Enoshima decouple. So now we gotta go to the core 6 area. Oh, there's a lot of people here. But this is probably more than me. Oh, it's closing. That is Metro Hakone leaving earlier. And then Metro Enoshima is gonna leave a couple minutes later. Alright, so I saw the Metro Hakone Enoshima leave. I think this will be a good time for me to end the video. If you want to go take this train, I will highly recommend you take it from Kita-Senju so you can, stay on the subway line as long as possible. So if you enjoyed this video, the algorithm thinks you'll like this video over here. So feel free to check that video out as well. Alright, bye bye.